Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make red chili coconut chutney. This is a very spicy and delicious side dish. The best goes with idlis and dosas. Very quick and an instant recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixer jar, add half cup of grated coconut. Then to this add 3 dried red chillies. You can alter this count based on your spice levels. Then to this add required amount of salt. I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Grind this to a coarse paste. Then to this add half cup of water and grind well again. Transfer the ground paste to a bowl like this. Season the red chilli chutney with some mustard seeds and curry leaves. Give it a quick mix and our delicious red chilli coconut chutney is now ready. Serve it nice and hot with some idlis or dosas and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick recipe. So do try this red chilli coconut chutney recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.